guys, today I'm doing a different video like I've done before. I'm going to play each one of my games except from that because I've got to wait like 2 hours. So I'll do that probably later. Okay, so I've got Subway Surf, Dumways 2, which is Dumways to Die. Okay, so I'm just going to start off with Subway Surf. Okay, I logged into Facebook. If you want me, no, actually, so I logged onto Facebook and now I've got this, I've got more stuff, I've got 40 keys. And the last time I played this, I saved up about 21,000 coins, and I didn't win the jackpot, and I tried so hard, but it just didn't work. Okay, so I'm just going to collect as many coins as I can, at least 1,000 or 500 to 1,000. So yeah. Giveaway hauls, and I signed up for the Joggers one with Vanessa from that, don't know who she is, and then that's my mum, she won, and then I signed up for Graveyard Girls, the second one, and so yeah, hopefully I win that. Okay, oh wait, that's my score. Oh yeah, because I logged into Facebook, so now I've got loads score. Yes, so that's good. So yeah, now we're going to do Dumways to Die. Just a normal one. Just do it until I die. Where you got below it. That's easy. Okay, so I'm probably going to do so it should have said psycho. Okay, so I've died. Character, then I'm gonna go on Dumways to Die 2. And I just worked out, what's happened? Oh yeah. And I've just worked out how to record my screen. Well, not just worked out, like a day or two ago. Okay. Could have done that, but I didn't understand. I avoided it. So unfair. Sorry, it was a bit low. Done that one before, I don't think. Okay, now just do another challenge.